channel. It's me, Rain, once again. And today's video is all about unboxing. Yes guys, we are going to open my other kind of air fryer. And then we're gonna use it as well. So please stay with me, okay guys? So guys, this is the new air fryer from Puremate.
I can't find the answer to that on Apple Watch.
Excuse my watch guys, I'm not asking anything. Anyway guys, so this is the new air fryer guys. And the first one I've got is the halogen air fryer. And this is another kind. It has got a 2 years warranty guys, and it's a 4 liters capacity, 4.8. It has a 60 minutes timer. So this is what I've got here. So we're gonna pull it guys and see how it looks. I just wrecked the box. There you go, it's coming out now. Ta-da! There you go guys. So, here, it's the manual. It's got a manual and it's got a cookbook as well guys. But I'm not gonna use this cookbook. I have marinated already my own chicken in the kitchen, and we're gonna try to cook it here later on. Yeah, so this is the cookbook and this is the instruction manual. That's very handy as well, so we'll keep it aside there. And here we are. This is the trouble when the box is bigger or taller than you. So here we are. So guys, there you are. So we'll take this styrofoam and put it there. And there. Where are you? Oh, that's the bottom part. And yaran! It's heavy. There you go guys. I tried to find a white one, but I couldn't really find a whole white without any black color combination. But yes, I'm quite happy with this color actually. So, wait, hang on. Okay guys. So it's pretty easy here guys. This is the timer up to 60 minutes. This is the power light. Yes. And the number 2 is the heating up light. And this one, this one on the side guys is called the air inlet. There you go. So this one is the, this one is the temperature control knob. And then of course this is the basket release button guys, this one. And of course this is the handle. And if you pull it, this is the basket. So that's all it is actually guys. So guys, we are going to use this new air fryer, okay? So guys, we are already in the kitchen, so I plugged in the air fryer, and I have a marinated chicken drumstick here. So this is what we're going to cook for the first time on this in this air fryer. And guys, so let's take the basket out. It looks like this, guys. It's been cleaned, of course, and wipe it dry. So I'm gonna put the chicken drumsticks inside. So since the drumsticks are quite large in size, I have to put only 6 of them, guys. Yeah, I only put 6 drumstick inside. So that's leaving 4 behind there. But I don't want to overcrowd the basket. So let's put it in. Make sure it's locked. Let's try on 180 first, guys, because it's my first time to use this machine. I'm not sure how it cooks the meat properly, and then we're gonna put it on 20 minutes. So there you go, guys, 180 degrees to 20 minutes, and we'll see what's gonna happen later on. Okay. So guys, 20 minutes is over. Tingnan natin kung anong nangyari. Charan! Look at that. Golden looking, lovely chicken. Oh, diba, guys? But I want to make sure that it's really cooked. Meron ako dito, guys, skewer. There you go. Check natin. Oh my god, guys, it is perfectly cooked, but I wanted to be crispier. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back, yeah, and then put another 10 minutes just to make it more crispy. Yeah, so far so good, guys. I think this is my new favorite air fryer, but of course I still love my other one, the halogen air fryer that I've got. I love that one because I can see what's going on inside. But this one is very handy as well, especially, guys, when you're going to going for a caravan holiday or going and renting a cottage, and you plan to make your meals there and not eating much outside. So this is really a very healthy way of cooking your food. So guys, the 10 minutes is over. Let's have a look what's happening in there. And Jaran! This is a perfect fried chicken or roast chicken. How's that, guys? There you go, guys. It's the healthier way to cook. How's that, guys? Yummy. Perfect, isn't it? Yeah, it's perfect, guys. This is my new best friend now, guys. You know? Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video today. And please keep supporting my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so. Until next time, I love you all. Mwah.